Welcome back. The number of tuberculosis cases is on the rise in the state. Around 2,000 TB cases are detected every year, with around 100 deaths due to the disease. 24th March is observed as World TB Day across the world.
The Directorate of Health Services held a workshop on the occasion of World TB Day. Health Minister Lakshmikant Parsekar along with other health officials were present for the event. Parsekar termed rise of TB cases in Goa as serious.
40,000 नवे इन्फेक्टेड मनीस ह्या देशात डिटेक्ट दररोज जातात आणि दररोज एका दिसात 900 जणांचे ह्या रोगाक लागून निधन जाता. एका दिसात 900 आणि तातूंतल्यान हिशोब करूनय सांगलो 3 मिनिटात 2 जण मरतात. म्हणजे दर 1.5 मिनिटा फाटल्यान किंवा प्रत्येक 1.5 मिनिटाक एक व्यक्ती टीबीच्या रोगाक लागून निधन जाता. इज अ सिरियस, व्हेरी सिरियस थिंग. आणि आम्ही टास्क घेतलो आसा. आम्ही म्हटलं की आम्ही टीबी फ्री वर्ल्ड करूया.
According to the health department, around 100 deaths occur due to TB annually in Goa.
Every year we detect about, on an average, 2,000 cases per year. As per national guidelines, 15% should have been the extrapulmonary cases, but in Goa we are finding extrapulmonary cases much more. This may be because of the good diagnosis at Goa Medical College and other hospitals also. In Goa also see that still the disease is rising. We have to take care that we catch all of the cases as early as possible, that is diagnose them at the earliest and treat them completely and regularly. Exact number will be around 100 deaths due to TB per year.
Our reporter Jason Suarez with video journalist Ravinder Darvi.
Newly elected CM Manohar Parrikar entered his official residence, Mahalakshmi, on the occasion of Samsar Padwo. He has changed the look of his official residence at Alteen. The residence has been painted with navy and sky blue color. Have a look.
Manohar Parrikar entered his official residence on the occasion of Gudi Padwa on Friday. Mahalakshmi is the name of the official residence of CM. The bungalow has been painted with vibrant hues of blue. Navy blue with a combination of sky blue colors are the preferred colors. Have a look. The official residence of CM was named Mahalakshmi by Parrikar himself in the millennium year 2000. The residence was earlier an Avicu property, which was then taken over by the government in 1977. Vinayak Chodankar, Minister for Agriculture, was the first minister to reside in the bungalow in the regime of MGP government. Shashikala Kakodkar was the CM during that regime. The residence was declared as the official residence for the CM in 1980. And Pratap Singh Rane was the first CM to enter the bungalow. All the politicians who served as the CM of Goa stayed in the bungalow during their period. Pratap Singh Rane, Dr. Luis Barbosa, Ravi Naik, Dr. Billy D'Souza, Luis Infalero, Francisco Sardinia and now Manohar Parrikar.
नवे सरकार, नवे मुख्यमंत्री. तसेच या मुख्यमंत्र्याच्या सरकारी बंगल्याक नवो साथ चढला. ज्या मुख्यमंत्र्यान या बंगल्याक महालक्ष्मी असे नाव दिले, तेच मुख्यमंत्री आज परत एक फावट या बंगल्यात भितर सरल्या. व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट सुशांत पळा वांगडा लौकिक शिलकार, प्रुडंट मीडिया खातीर.
Panchayat Minister Lakshmikant Parsekar has asked for a report from the Directorate of Panchayat regarding the terms of secretaries in Panchayats. He says if he finds the terms of secretaries suspicious, he will transfer them. Parsekar has also said that this time there will not be any problem regarding the reservation for the upcoming Panchayat elections.
After taking over as Panchayat Minister, Lakshmikant Parsekar has asked for a report regarding the terms of all Panchayat secretaries.
डायरेक्टर पंचायतीकच सांगला म्हाका प्रत्येक पंचायतीचे नाव, त्या पंचायतीन असणारो स्टाफ, सेक्रेटरी कोण, ताचो फोन नंबर आणि सेक्रेटरी तो केन्ना पासून काम करता हें आसा हेच्या म्हणजे हे रिपोर्ट मागला. तो रिपोर्ट इतल्याच खातीर की म्हाका कळूंक जाय एखादो बाबा सेक्रेटरी हांगाच रावला किंवा एखादो तात्पुरतो म्हयनोभर गेलो आनी परत मॅनेज करून हांगा आयलो, हो कित्याक येता हांगा हें म्हाका तेचेर अभ्यास करपाक बरें जातलें. हांवें इन्फॉर्मेशन मागलेलें आसा. हांव शक्यतो कोणाची वतनदारी जावची ना. एखादी पंचायत ही अमक्याच एका सेक्रेटरीची वतनदारी जाल्या हें जावंक जायना हेची हांव काळजी घेतलो.
He also said that unlike the last Panchayat elections, this time there will not be any problem with the reservations.
रिजर्वेशन्स महिलां खातीर रिजर्वेशन आसात. महिलां खातीर रिजर्वेशन्स आसात हे जे आदले फावटी दिल्ले ताच्या फुडले रोटेट जावन वतात. 1/3 महिलां खातीर रिजर्वेशन्स आसात. त्यामुळे ते ऑलमोस्ट आदले फावटी खंयचे वॉर्ड आसले ते खबर आसात. तेच्या फुडले त्यामुळे नेक्स्ट तेच्या फुडलो एक आसलो जाल्यार हे फावटी 2, 5 आसलो जाल्यार 6 अशा प्रकारे महिला रिजर्वेशन आसात. ओबीसीच्या बाबतींत फाटल्या फावटी खूब घोळ जाल्लो. अनेक पंचायतींनी ओबीसी संख्याच ना, ओबीसी मनीसूच ना किंवा एसटी मनीस ना, थंय एसटी रिजर्व केल्लो. ही काळजी हे फावटी घेतली वतली की अशें जावचें ना.
Our reporter Jason Suarez with video journalist Ravindra Darvi.
Directorate of Fire and Emergency Services held a mock drill at Taj Vivanta Hotel. This mock drill was done with the help of a new 32-meter aerial ladder platform vehicle. Management of Taj Vivanta had requested the Directorate of Fire and Emergency Services for doing a mock drill in their hotel.
Management of Taj Vivanta had requested Directorate of Fire and Emergency Services for doing a mock drill in their hotel to get prepared in combating any untoward incident. 2 were injured during the mock drill who were given treatment by the in-house doctors. However, 108 ambulance reached late at the spot during the mock drill.
In short, this was an exercise. It's a mock exercise where the Taj Vivanta is getting prepared to combat any eventuality in the event of any fire or any other. So the prime thing was to evacuate the guests from and it was very well done by the Taj Vivanta. And this time we also did the drill from the high-rise building with our aerial ladder platform of 32 meters height. We rescued one guest who was stuck on the terrace. And almost how many guests you have done? Around 19 guests have been evacuated. I think there were 2 injured, which they have taken care. The in-house doctor has taken care, and it is shifted. They have been checked by the doctors, and they found they are okay.
A reporter from Panji, Devendra Gaonkar.
Let's take another short break. Stay tuned.